Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Twilio voice calls with HubSpot contact records. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Twilio account. Once logged in, navigate to the console dashboard. Next, locate the phone numbers section. Select the phone number you want to configure for voice calls. In the phone number settings, find the voice section. Here, you will see options for handling incoming calls. Choose the option for webhook and enter the URL for your HubSpot integration. Now, switch to your HubSpot account. In HubSpot, go to the Settings menu. Select Integrations from the options available. Find and click on Connected Apps. Look for Twilio in the list and select it. Follow the prompts to connect your Twilio account to HubSpot. After connecting, navigate back to your Twilio account. Return to the phone number settings page. Make sure the webhook URL is correctly entered. Next, you'll need to set up a specific call handling function. Create a new function by going to the Functions section in Twilio. Click on Create a function and choose blank. In the code editor, write the function to handle incoming voice calls. Make sure to include logic for retrieving HubSpot contact records. Use the HubSpot API to fetch contact details based on the incoming caller number. Incorporate Twilio's API to make calls or send notifications based on the contact record. Save the function and deploy it. Return to your Twilio phone number settings. Update the voice URL to point to your new function. Now, test the configuration by making an incoming call. Observe if the system retrieves the correct HubSpot contact information. If successful, you should see contact records displayed in the HubSpot dashboard. Adjust any settings in both Twilio and HubSpot as necessary. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.